My dear students, today I am going to discuss about the torque when an electric dipole is placed in a uniform electric field. Class 12, Chapter 1, Physics. When an electric dipole is placed in a uniform electric field, then what will be the torque produced due to it? So we have taken electric field in this direction. Uniform electric field representation is parallel line, same length. So these are the uniform electric field, and we have placed a electric dipole whose length is 2a, which makes an angle theta with the electric field. So direction of P vector will be in this direction, P vector. Now what is the force on it? F equal to QE formula. So this is in this direction, QE. And what is the force on this? This is minus QE. So force on charge plus Q equal to how much? Q into E along E vector, and force on charge this equal to minus Q E vector along opposite to E vector. Now you see, these two vectors are equal in magnitude. It's QE, it's also QE, equal in magnitude, opposite in direction. This is in this direction, this is in this direction, and have different line of action. Its line of action is this, its line of action is this. So they will constitute torque. These two forces QE have same magnitude, opposite direction, and have different line of action. So they constitute torque. Now what is torque? Torque equal to either force into perpendicular distance. Either perpendicular force how much? QE. We will take only magnitude. So this is QE, perpendicular distance. So its line of action is this, its line of action is this, its line of action is this, and perpendicular distance is this. So this is the perpendicular distance. So this is K. So what is BK? So if this is theta, this angle is also theta. So BK by BA, you see, BK by BA equal to sin theta. So BK equal to BA sin theta. Now what is BA? BA is 2A. So 2A sin theta. Put here 2A sin theta. This is the perpendicular distance between the two forces. This. Now we can write this like this way: twice A Q to E sin theta. Twice AQ means P. Twice AQ equal to P. Electric dipole moment. Electric dipole moment. So we are getting tau equal to this. And in vector form, what we can write? Rotation is from this to this. Rotation is like this way. P to E rotation through small angle. P to E. So tau vector equal to P cross E. You cannot write E cross P because it is rotating. It is rotating. Its rotation is P vector is rotated from towards E. P vector is rotated towards E through smaller angle theta. So P cross E. So P cross, this is E vector. So P cross E. So what will be the direction of this? What will be the direction of tau vector? Tau vector will be perpendicular to P cross E vector. So P cross E. So by right hand thumb rule you can use this. So if these two are in the plane of board, if P vector and E vector in the plane of board, then the thumb will indicate the direction of the tau vector. So tau vector will be perpendicular to the board in outward direction. Tau vector will be perpendicular to the plane of paper by plane of board in the outward direction by right hand thumb rule. So you are getting this. Now you see, if theta equal to 0 degree, then what will happen? Then what will be the tau? Then tau equal to sin 0 0. So tau equal to 0. So there will be no torque. There will be no torque, and this is called the stable equilibrium. Stable equilibrium. When theta equal to 0, then tau equal to 0. This is called the stable equilibrium. That means the dipole is in stable equilibrium. And when theta equal to 180 degree, then tau equal to sin 180 also 0. This is also equilibrium, but this is the unstable equilibrium. Unstable equilibrium. In both cases you see, when theta is 0, this is tau equal to 0. This is stable equilibrium. Stable equilibrium. And when this is the unstable. Unstable equilibrium. So we have got expression for torque when an electric dipole is placed in uniform electric field. This is torque because two forces acting in opposite direction having same magnitude, different line of action, so they constitute torque. Torque means either force into perpendicular distance. We have got this, and then it, and by the right hand thumb rule, we are getting tau vector equal to P cross E. Now what is the direction of tau vector? Tau vector is in the plane perpendicular to the plane in which P and E lie. P আর E যে প্লেনে থাকবে, তার পারপেন্ডিকুলার প্লেনে থাকবে টাউ ভেক্টর। সো আমরা পাচ্ছি কি আউটওয়ার্ড ডাইরেকশন। ইফ P and E in the board, plane of the board, then tau vector will be perpendicular to the board in the outward direction. Now question is, what will be the, and when theta is 90 degree, then tau equal to maximum torque হবে। তো when theta equal to 0 degree, that means कि this will be in this direction. Then this is called the stable equilibrium. Mane dipole is placed along the direction of the electric field. And when the dipole is placed in this direction, opposite to electric field in this direction, dipole is in this direction, then also torque is 0, but this is the unstable equilibrium. And when theta equal to 90 degree, that means this and this is placed like this way, then torque will be maximum. Maximum torque will experienced by the electric dipole. Clear? So today up to this, you read more and more. It will help you and you will easily achieve your goal. Bye.